Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace this auger belt. It's very simple. This happens to be a Yard Machines MTD 5.5 horsepower, the Tecumseh engine, 21-inch electric start. These are the small Yard Machines. That's the model number. And to get started, you want to take off this plate. There's a couple of like 3 or 4 bolts holding it. As you can see, one is here, here, and yeah, here. It's like 3 or 4. Usually if you want, you can take off this spark plug wire and make sure it's off. I can leave the spark plug wire on. Okay, this is the new belt I have on already, and to take this belt off, as you can see, it's kind of loose already. You can cut it if you're replacing the belt. You can just cut the old belt off. Or if the belt is good and you just want to take it out to do some work or something. And, what you want to do is you can try to pull it off, or you can pull the recoil. If you pull it a little and you slip the belt off from here. Be careful with your finger. Just pull the belt like this and pull this recoil here, the pull start. And as you can see, if you have your finger there and you pull it like this, it's gonna turn and the belt gonna slip off from there. And so you take it off from here. It's just gonna spin. You can just pry it out if you want. It's gonna spin. Just take it off. Like this. And just like something here holding the belt. This tensioner pulley here, like a guide. Okay, that's your new belt. You want to put it on. You can just press down on this here, or you can press this lever here. You can press this lever, and it's gonna, when you press the lever, it's gonna come up like that. Or you can just push down on it from here. Doesn't matter. You just slip the belt on. Slip the belt on like this, and then you put it under like this. And as if you want to put it on back like this, you just put this piece here and just pull the pull start again, and you can get it on. You can just try to just slip it on like this. Okay, and there you have it. This back on, make sure it's under this pulley here. So when you pull the lever, it pushes down on the tensioner pulley, and it makes the belt tight, and that's how this pulley here spins, the auger pulley, and it spins inside. It's very simple. If you like this video, click like, thumbs up, leave a comment or any question, and subscribe and share this video. All you gotta do, just put this back, just snug it up, and if you took off your spark plug wire, just push it back in here.